What's happening, y'all? What's good, YouTube? It's your boy YMH, aka NHEGaming. Now, this video will be posted on both my channels, main and gaming. And this is about Capcut. I know a lot of y'all may be content creators, you feel what I'm saying, and use Capcut a lot. They've changed a lot of rules. They are charging a lot for like minor things, you feel what I'm saying? So right now we're gonna be talking about the captions. Simply because I'm a content creator. I post on TikTok, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube Shorts, you name it, Facebook. Recently, I've been using the captions a lot, and they were free at one point or another. So this new update came out about joining pro, which we ain't finna do. You know what I'm saying? Like, we ain't got time for all that. So right now, I'm about to show you guys how to add captions to your clips. You feel what I'm saying? So let's get into it. So right now, we're gonna start off with this clip. You feel what I'm saying? This is a clip that I've already edited before, but this is fresh as if like I just jumped off a stream and I'm ready to start clipping my videos. So right now, we're gonna drop that down, and I'm about to show you how we do it. So obviously we change the aspect ratio, and then also we add a blur in the background, not motion blur. Canvas, we go to blur, and I do the second one, whatever. That's like the basic steps. So now, as you can see, we got our clip dropped in. We're gonna hit captions. Now you can see right here, this was never here before, where it says to use left to generate your AI captions. We never had that before up until this update. So what, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna generate, you feel what I'm saying? And the AI does pretty decent when it comes to what you're saying in the video. As you can see, let's go. Okay, let me drop this real quick, see where these guys are at. Oh my god. Above, watch that. And it's pretty decent, but there's some cases where you do have to correct the AI on what you're saying because it doesn't pick up what you're saying. When you go to export, unless you have pro, it won't allow you to export. You feel what I'm saying? It lets you know where the auto captions are placed, and you can try it for free. Chances are they're going to ask for your card information, and you get your little trial free run, and then they're going to tax your card after. We don't need all of that. So in order for you to skip that step, you're going to go back. Just go back to the video, right? And you're going to see this little free logo right here, and it says transcribe. So you're going to hit that, and at the side, it's going to generate. So just wait for that to generate, and these are your captions. So now you're gonna hit up here, the top right, generate captions. And this is also pretty decent. There's some corrections that you may need to place on the video with what you're saying, but it's pretty accurate to say the least. So let's watch it. Drop this real quick, see where these guys are at. Oh my god. Above, watch that. See? Shut up. For example, I love, what does it say over here? I love, who do I love? You feel what I'm saying? I said above, but it said I love. So, like you can see right here. So you just be like, okay, you just click it in above. You feel what I'm saying? So we're going to do that right now. Instead of I love. Ooh. Madness. Hold on. There you go. Above. So now you go back. Oh my god. Above. Watch that. Shut up. So there you go. So with that being said, now you click it. You get the same free contents. You go to your text, and you have all of these templates for your text. So personally, the one that I like to use is this one, or there's another one, but this will do. Where these guys are at. Oh my god. Above, watch that. Shut up.
Back to the lobby, guys.
It won't charge you at all. So once you do that, you finish that, you edit up your text and all, you hit export, and now you will be able to export your captions in your clips now, without joining that pro version, because the pro version is pricey. And if you're not on that content creation grind and you just drop a few videos here, there, this works for you. Create content like a pro. This is how you do it. You feel what I'm saying? And this is the newest way on how to get your AI generated captions for your videos, seeing that now they are charging for that feature. If you guys did enjoy this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. You feel what I'm saying? More content to come. I know I've been falling off on the main channel, but we ain't about to get too into that. You feel me? So just, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna be back doing our little thing. Thug thizzle, you dig? Yeah. Anywho, talking shit right now. But like, yeah, like I said, bro, this is how you get it done. If you guys are content creators, this is how you do it. Pretty easy, straightforward, simple. If you guys don't know the trick to the trade, this is how you do it. Thank y'all for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.
I done lost it and got it bad like I ain't even lost it. You don't know how I feel, just look at them all and